Hey guys, hope you're doing good this evening. I got that tilted up for you so you get a little bit better look at on the side of the car. Hey, Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Models. The California Flash. It's the one in the background there, the 65 Belvedere. Pretty much did it like it was. I did research some on it. It had a few extra decals here and there. Depends what part of the year it was ran in. He did have Kragers all the way around, but in the beginning of the season he had steel rims on the back. What came with them, I liked it, so I went with these. It's pretty much just like the box. It's a good bid, nice kit, went together good. Had a little problem up here in the nose, guys. Watch your side windows over here, because I think what happened was the windows are hitting the side of the door frame, so I kind of had to work with it. Let me turn it here for you. There's the back. It came out nice. A couple of the national sticker ones he had on this car. He's got to here 64. It was a super stock national champion record setter. So the interior pretty much the way it is. Gear 4-speed. I did put the tack on. I had to make one. It didn't have the tack on the dash. I had a little tiny dinky one for the steering column, and he had a big tack up on the dash. You can see it in any pictures you pull up of it. Bare metal foil, some custom shading on it. I did some overspray down here in the frame, make it look like when they repainted the car, for the fact because this probably came in primer. So I did that. Let me pop the hood off. There you go. Yeah, before some of you diehards tell me the battery didn't go up there, it was in the trunk. I know that. You know that. But the fact is, I didn't cut the trunk out, so you wouldn't be able to see it. Kind of defeats the purpose. So I tossed it in there. You know, if the person ends up buying this and don't like it, they can yank the battery out relatively easy. So, John Poole, say anything. Anyways, nice kit. If you need one for stock parts for other kits, kind of expensive, but it's got the super stock seats in there with the pedestals underneath them. Painted mine aluminum. I didn't put the console in. It didn't have the console or none of that. It was pretty much bare bones. So, hold down HUDs. There's the front grille. It's blackened in, weathered, whatever you want to call her. But that's it. I'm kind of tinkering with a funny car right now, in between builds here. Waiting for somebody to pop up, tell me hold it down. This is going to be the Black Magic funny car. I got a 74 original kit sent to me, but it was a basket case. It was missing the whole front end. The motor was out. You know, headers and everything else was off of it. It was pretty shoddy painting, and the body wasn't even painted. It came molded black, and they just threw the decals on it. So I stripped the body, ordered new decals, and that's in the works. I just now got this mounted and the engine wired in, and I had to tear the engine down and repaint it. But that's pretty much that. I'll get that one up to you when I get it done. I'm not going to do any updates. I'll just build it and show you. But, yep, that's pretty much what I got going on. I got a Tonka truck I'm restoring for a friend. I got one of them done. I'm on the second one now. The pinhole's on the back burner. The body I got two bodies. And they're both pitted. They're rough. I tried to putty one in and sand on it. I'm not sure how far that's going to go. If I get another pinhole body, I'm back in it. So I got most of all the rest of the parts. So, you know, I got like 2 or 3 different sets of bumpers, and even some tail light lenses, the grill. You know, the chassis I don't need. I make my own if I have to. So, but I got an engine already built up for it and everything. So it's kind of like there, but not there. I got the decals. Anyways, guys, again, Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Models. with Butch Leals, the late Butch Leal. California Flash, nice kit, made by Mobus. Highly recommend it. If you want one of these guys, I would get it. It's a pretty nice kit. So you guys have a great week. Take care of one another. You need any helps, tips, tricks, give me a holler if I can help you. I darn sure will. Thanks for subscribing. Share my videos if you want. Send a few subscribers over. Somehow, YouTube, I lost about 160 subscribers. I don't know how. But I had more closer to 1,200. Now it's like 100, I don't know, 82 or 92 or something. YouTube, it's crazy. I just post for you guys. I post for people that does the same hobby and the same art that we do. So, you know, it don't matter to me. I ain't out to make a living off eBay by no means. So, but anyways, you guys take care. Have a great week, and I'll holler at you later, okay? Thanks a lot, you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.